I'm up here in Poultryville visiting some of my favorite feathered friends. Today, I'm checking in with the Buff Orpingtons. This is a 2-week-old Buff Orpington chick. Say hello. Now, these little chicks grow very quickly. This is a Buff Orpington chick that has grown to about a month and a half old, getting big with lots of feathers. Whoops, I hear somebody that's not happy. This is what a Buff Orpington looks like at about 3 months old. You can see they grow, again, very quickly, as long as they're getting plenty of nutrition, and they love to free range and eat insects and lots of grass. This is a Buff Orpington that is about 9 months old and will be laying eggs very soon. That's what I like about these. They lay delicious light brown eggs. Don't you, Henrietta? And this gentle girl, with her beautiful golden color, has just laid her first eggs, and they are delicious. Isn't she a beauty? And this is Amos. He's a big boy. Amos is the father of them all. He's about 3 years old. Now, a question that's commonly asked, do you have to have a rooster for the hens to lay eggs? No, you don't. They're gonna lay the eggs anyway. But if you want fertilized eggs where you can hatch more baby Buff Orpingtons, you need a guy like Amos. Right, Amos?